So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to leave a group on Life360. So if you want to leave your group, you will need to go from the app itself. So let's open the app. Now from here you can see some different names for a specific group. So it could be called family, it could be called circle, or gathering, something like that, or a group. And if you want to leave it, you will need to open one of those. So if you click on here, you will see in the expanded menu the different groups that you're a member of. So you can just choose one of those that you want to leave. And from that point, you can redirect your attention to check out if that's the correct group with those specific members that you had in mind. So once you're there, you can go to the top left for your settings. Once you click on those, you can see smart notifications, location sharing, circle management, add people to circle, account flight detection, and so on. So within that specific part of the page, you can click on circle management. So you can edit circle name, you can see the role, the admin status, people, you can add people to circle, you can set bubbles access, or you can leave the circle entirely. So if you click on leave circle, it's going to be removed from that point and you won't longer be in that specific group. So that's how you can leave that circle and start being a part of that, or rather no longer be part of that organization, or as I mentioned before, circle, group, family, whatever you want to call it, you're going to be removed from that. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video, you can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Life360 or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.